dance that has gotten to be a little bit out of control. It's cool to dance, but what about a groove that soothes and moves romance? Give me a soft, subtle mix, and if it ain't broke, then don't try to fix it. And think of the summers of the past. Adjust the bass and let the Alpine blast. Pop in my CD and let me run around and put your car in cruise and lay back, cause it's summertime. And it's sort of a buzz, but back then I didn't really know what it was. But now I see what happiness, the way that people respond to summer madness. The weather is hot and girls are dressing less, and checking out the fellas to tell them who's best. Riding around in your Jeep or your Benzos, or in your Nissan sitting on Lorenzo's. Back in Philly we be out in the park, a place called the Plateau is where everybody goes. Guys out hunting and girls doing likewise, honking at the honey in front of you with the light eyes. She turn around to see what you're beeping at. It's like the summer's a natural aphrodisiac, and with the pen and pen I compose this rhyme to hit you and get you equipped for the summertime. Late in the day and I ain't been on the court yet. Hustle to the mall to get me a short set. Yeah, I got on sneaks, but I need a new pair, cause basketball courts in the summer got girls there. The temperature's about 88. Popping the water plug just for old time's sake. Break to your crib, change your clothes once more, cause you're invited to a barbecue to start at 4. Sitting with your friends, y'all reminisce about the days growing up and the first person you kissed. And as I think back, it makes me wonder how the smell from a grill can spark up nostalgia. All the kids playing out front, little boys messing around with the girls playing double dutch, while the DJ spinning the tune as the old folks danced at your family reunion. Then 6 o'clock rolls round, you just finished wiping your car down. It's time to cool, so you go to the summertime hangout. Looks like a car show. Everybody looking real fine, fresh from the barbershop or fly from the beauty salon. Every woman frontin' and maxin', chillin' in the car, they spend all day waxing. Leaning to the side, but you can't speed through. 2 miles an hour, everybody sees you. There's an air of love and happiness, and this is the French prison new definition of summer madness.